Rode just sent over its wireless pro mics, and I'm pretty excited to try these out. Let's open it up and see what's inside this kit. Sound is something that I always find pretty challenging, so I'm always excited to try out new microphone systems. Right now, I'm actually using the DJI mics, so I'm curious to see how these Rode ones stack up. My first microphones that I've ever used started on YouTube were actually Rode mics, so I'm always excited to see what Rode has to offer. All right, let's open it up. Maybe it's this way. Ah, here we go. Okay, so there's actually two pieces here. We have, looks like both are nice cases. We have a quick start guide. Looks like we have some accessories here too. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And okay, it looks like that is it on here. Now let's check out these. So it comes with two cases actually. Let's see what this one is. This one looks like it might be an accessory one. And I think it's true. There's a USB-C to Lightning, so if you want to attach the receiver to your phone, there's a USB-C to USB-C here as well. And there's also this cable so you can attach it to your camera. This is going to come out so handy. And this is a really nice case actually. Oh, it has like a cleaning cloth here too. It has two lav mics also, very nice. The DJI one does not come with that actually. It's actually, you have to buy separately. And there's actually a lot of accessories here. This is a really nice pouch. You have these for the lav mics as well. You have magnetic clips too to attach to the Pro. And you have some windscreen. And that looks like everything that's in the box. Now let's see what's actually in the Wireless Pro. So I like that it comes with two different cases. That's actually pretty nice. And here are the mics. Let's see. So this is, looks like one of the Wireless Pros. And you can see here, they actually charge via USB-C on the bottom of the case right here, which is pretty cool actually. I am used to the DJI ones where it's actually magnetic when you put them in, so this is a little bit different. So they're pretty nice. Like this is what it looks like here. You can turn it on. It doesn't look like it's touchscreen, so that's a little bit different, but we do have like settings on the side that you can use as well. So this case is how you charge your microphone. So it's really cool because it actually has a built-in battery where you can charge on the back over here. Overall, these are pretty nice though. It's a nice case. It's small, it's compact. You're able to fit all three accessories in here too. And I think there is enough space too if you don't want to carry around this extra one and to be able to put some accessories in here as well. So that was my quick unboxing of the Rode Wireless Pro mics. I'm gonna be doing a full review where I'm comparing these mics to the DJI mics. So make sure you're following for all the latest.